Can I add salt water to my above ground swimming pool? The answer is that you probably shouldn't. Most above ground swimming pool kits are made of light grade metals, and adding salt to your swimming pool can increase the likelihood of experiencing corrosion on those metals. This is significant for a couple of reasons, and the main one is simply that one day when your above ground swimming pool fails, the reason it will probably fail is because of corrosion. You'll develop a small leak and you won't notice it or you won't be able to repair it, and it will allow corrosion to develop. And when that corrosion affects or threatens to affect the structure of the pool is basically done. There's not really a lot you can do about that because there's not really any way to repair it. Above ground pools don't typically have a really good aftermarket where you can, buy a new wall kit and reinstall it. Sometimes, but not usually. So you should want to protect your pool from corrosion because ultimately that's something that could end the service life of this swimming pool. So when you choose to add salt water, you might 10 times increase the rate at which corrosion develops in your pool. That would be a pretty big consideration because your pool could be ruined in a couple of years. This is why they make swimming pool kits specifically for salt water. Usually they're resin kits without any lighter grade metals, or those metals have some sort of powder coating or protection on them. And I believe the state or the hardware is usually upgraded to stainless versus something that's just zinc coated. So if it were my pool, I wouldn't just add salt to any above ground swimming pool. I would check and make sure it's rated for saltwater use, which you'd probably already know because you have to pay quite a bit of money to get it. So it's probably your answer right there. And I'm sorry if it's not the answer you were looking for. If you like this video, please be sure to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.